Semi-automatic fruit and vegetable net packaging machine. Open the machine door. Place the net roll in the designated area. Tighten it properly to ensure smooth operation. Semi-automatic operation for easy and quick packaging. Place the net properly on the barrel. This machine is useful for easily packing vegetables and fruits. Once the net is placed correctly, cut it as needed. Use the ring to lock the net securely. Pedal and button control options for convenience. Connect the air pipe to the machine. Set the controls according to your requirements. Press the start button to check if the machine is active. This machine also supports a pedal mechanism. Press the pedal to check if it is working. You can pack onions, potatoes, garlic, etc. And in fruits, you can pack oranges, apples, mangoes, etc. Fill the product into the net through the feed inlet as shown. Take the filled net and twist the open end. Place the twisted part in the sealing area. Press the pedal to start the sealing process. The machine will seal the net bag based on your set controls. Your bag is now properly sealed. It seals the net bag without the need for any metal clips. It is capable of sealing multiple types of products like fruits and vegetables, etc. Packaging is completed and items are ready for dispatch.